video, I'm going to be teaching you how to make a YouTube thumbnail. So here we go, we're on canva.com, and first you want to do is actually sign up for an account if you don't have one already. I'll put a link in the description below. But after that, once you log in, you're going to see some template designs and some dimensions that are already set for you. So as you can see here, there's a YouTube thumbnail right here. So I'm just going to click on it, and you can check out the other ones too. There's like a Facebook event cover, Facebook cover, CD cover, logos, and these are all dimensions that are set for you, so you don't have to worry about setting the right dimension. Alright, so I'm going to click on YouTube thumbnail. Alright, so we're loaded into the YouTube thumbnail. So this is a blank canvas of starting to start your design. So to first start, on the left you're going to see some actual templates that you can use. And so I'm just going to upload a template that I kind of want to use, and maybe I'll go from there. Alright, so this is a template I've chosen. It's called the Poetry of Jazz. I just chose this template just out of randomness. I feel like it was the right one to choose. One thing I just imagine is that there's going to be a person on the right for the picture I'm going to use. On the left there's going to be some text. So I just use this template just to make it easy on myself. Also, I'm going to choose a picture, and I'm going to upload it to this image. Alright, so I've chosen an image, and it's this guy. He's just very happy, and he's very expressive. Normally with the YouTube thumbnail, it's great to use a person if possible in the video. For this demonstration, I'm just using this guy that I found on unsplash.com. And so here we go. So I'm going to choose this photo, and I'm going to adjust it accordingly. Alright, I adjusted the picture, so I'm going to adjust him to the right a little bit. Okay, so on the left I see this building. I'm going to get rid of that by using some kind of background. So I'm going to go over to the left, go to Elements, and I'm going to choose Shapes. And I'm going to choose a square shape. And I'm going to just cover this. Alright, so what I did for this square shape is I adjusted it, and I made it a little bit diagonal, so I'm going to change the color of it. And I'm just going to choose black, just because I feel like it's a easy color to work with. So on the right you see a text, and I'm gonna grab it right now, and I'm gonna adjust it. Alright, so I adjusted to the left, and now I'm gonna change the title to the title I want. Alright, so I adjusted the title of this thumbnail, so all I did was lower the font, and you can go on the top to change that. So I think this looks okay, and I'm just gonna put it in the middle. And after this looks pretty good. One thing I do want to mention here at this video is I would love for this picture to be a full width of this thumbnail, but unfortunately this picture was kind of small. That's why I put him to the right and put this black square background to the left. So alright, so I'm going to add an element. So I'm going to go to the left and just add some kind of element, and the element can be found on the left. Alright, so I put an element right there, and it's just a YouTube picture, as you can see on the left bottom. So now I'm going to add a little bit of a border, and this is kind of a new thing that I see with YouTube thumbnails. So I'm going to go to the left, I'm going to go to Elements. I'm going to go to Elements, and I'm going to type in border. Alright, I grabbed my border and I just adjusted it, and this is pretty much it. I mean, I'm going to probably do more to this thumbnail if I could, but just for the demonstration of this video. So most important thing is to get a picture, preferably a person in the thumbnail. Put a nice bold text. I would actually make this a little bit bigger, and then if possible try to put like a little border on the thumbnail just to make it pop out.